So what's up, everyone? I am trying out my little handle here. I got my GoPro. Probably need to get a gimbal. I don't know if this is going to be shaking and everything because it's just a little. Anyway, what's up, everybody? How's your Sunday going? It's a good Sunday. I am doing this video just to post it on my YouTube channel as a test with my GoPro because we're about to do some riding. We're gonna do some riding, some ministering, some praying, some eating, and just one heck of a good time. Now, one thing I'm not gonna do with my channel is, because I'm not that good at it, and I leave it to the professionals, because a lot of y'all don't know that I've only been riding for 8 years. I've been practically all around the country. I'm trying to finish up this year, trying to finish up my lower 48 states. And if I do the 3 flags ride in September, I'll finish my lower 48 states plus Mexico and Canada. So I'll have 48 plus 2. Yeah, 48 plus 2. And I might do me a patch just for me. I ain't selling it, ain't giving it away. I'm nobody special. Nobody special to be saying, hey, y'all come get my patch. But it'll be an accomplishment for myself. 48 states on the bike plus 2 countries, Mexico and Canada. So if you're on the channel and you're watching this video, thank you for joining the channel. Thank you for riding along. If you've seen any of my old Facebook videos, you know, we call them epic rides. We call them getting out there, ministries on ground, and we just having a lot of fun. Yes, we are a group of God-fearing Christians on the verge of motorcycle ministry. I'm just trying to get everything together. I can put that out there. I can put that out there. But hey, anyway, if you ever want to ride and ride with Logic, ride with the ministry, just have a good time. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm not going to take you across country. We'll stay in the confines of the state. We'll stay in the confines of the state. No, don't play. We won't go no further. I won't take you no further. Maybe 100, 150, 200 miles away from the city, maybe. You know, get 200 miles out, 200 miles, a 400 mile day. That's a good day. You know, start out early, go out, have some lunch, and come back. Okay? You're probably going to be seeing people that's riding with me, that rides with me all the time. You'll see my brother Gunner and my other brother Storm. They ride with me, part of the ministry. And I know y'all know, a lot of y'all know 250. So when she gets Bob ready to roll, 250 be riding with us as well. And we gotta try to get some people to tag along with us as we ride. So we do our epic rides. So y'all tell me, if you see this video, what rides are you doing this year? I just said one of the rides I want to do. That's the 3 flags. I will be riding. I'll probably be riding somewhere on the East Coast. Y'all know I go to the East Coast practically every year. So probably going back to the East Coast. Definitely gonna hit the West Coast. I want to make it up to, you know, places I rode to and didn't hit the monuments up there, whether they big or small. I didn't hit the center of the universe, so I want to hit that. Gonna get up there to Amarillo to go to the, what is it called, the Cadillac Graveyard? Yeah, get up there to the Cadillac Graveyard. What else? Just around Texas, of course. I think I'm gonna be riding to Vegas, and it's not a motorcycle event. It's actually a military anniversary for those that served alongside me when I was in Athens, Greece. A lot of people gonna be flying. I might fly, but then again, I want to ride. So might be riding out there. But hey, anyway, tell me. What rides are you doing this year? What rides are you doing this year? What is your goal this year? Hey, you never know. We might see each other out on twos. All right. Thank you for coming to our page again. Keep it logical. So I'm trying to come up with a good saying to close out. Oh yeah. All right. Ride hard, ride safe, and always ride on faith. It's been your boy Logical. No, it's been your boy Logic. Keep it logical. Be blessed. Peace.